everyone, it's Lindsay. We're gonna learn how to lose today. I'll show you on Scratch. So here I am on Scratch and here's my final game. When I press the green flag, I can run Mario around and then my Goomba sends me to my lose screen. And then I press the green flag and I'm back at start. So that's exactly the code that we're gonna work on today and I'll show you. So here I am on my Goomba. I'm gonna pull up his code a little bit, get it out of my way, maybe make some space. And I'm clicked on my Goomba code. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add in a new if statement. And if I think about this, what I'm saying is, if my Goomba touches Mario, I need to switch that backdrop so that I actually go to the lose screen and everything else stops. So I'm gonna go Control, if, and I'm plugging it into the forever loop here, so you'll notice it's not in this other if statement, it's at the bottom. So if, and under sensing, I can look at touching Mario. So it says touching mouse pointer. If I drop down here, I can change it to Mario. If touching Mario, I'm going to change my background. So I'm going to change the way my game looks, which means that it's going to live under looks. Switch backdrop. Switch backdrop to, and I've got a Mario lose screen there. So I'm going to stick with Mario lose. And one last thing I need, if I do this right now, and Mario touches the Goomba, you'll notice my game keeps going while I'm on my lose screen, and I don't want that to happen. So I'm going to have to add in another piece. So under events, I'm gonna add a brand new event. So I'm gonna have two strings of code running, and I'm gonna grab when backdrop switches. So I'll give myself some more space here. When backdrop switches to Mario lose, I'm going to hide and I'm going to stop. So under control down here, there's a stop all. I'm going to plug that in and I'm going to change it to stop other scripts in sprite. Sprite is the character that we're using. Everything that lives in here is a sprite, and scripts are just the lines of code that are running. So I'm going to stop all scripts. I'm going to take this piece of code and copy it onto coin, and I'm going to copy it onto Mario. You'll see they give a little wiggle, and if I drop it, it'll copy onto that person. So let's test that out. Now I've got Mario. My lose screen is still there, but if I click on my Goomba, everything disappears now. The last thing I need to teach it is that I want my game screen back. I don't want to just play on you lose all the time. So I'm going to click on the actual stage. So right here, and I'm gonna add in a new event. So event, and it's gonna be when green flag is clicked, I want my regular background to be there. So under looks, I'll say switch backdrop, and it'll say Mario background. That's my main screen. So I'll press the green flag and test that out. There we go. Now I've got a lose, and I can restart my game. That's my code for today. Make sure to watch the next one where I teach you how to win your game. See ya!